Can Kelly play? It's Christmas Day and I open my presents.
What did you get, Caden? What's this? The Crayola Washable Deluxe Paint Kit. Cool! Open it, Caden. There we go. That's it. Wow, look at the paints falling out. So Daddy and I know that you love doing arts and crafts and doing painting. So we got you your own art set. So you'll be the best painter in the world. What kind of paints do you get? Let's have a look.
We got red.
Right.
And blue, that's my favourite.
Okay.
And we got orange and green and yellow and pink and brown and white.
Yay! What else you get in there? What's that next to it on the floor? Next to the white paint, what's that?
Paintbrushes.
Cool. You got some paintbrushes, lovely. And what else? You got another palette of paints with some more colours on there. Amazing.
Black,
yeah.
red, orange, green, blue, black.
Let me see. I think that last one's a blue. Yeah, the last one's blue. It's a dark blue. Ooh, nice colours. Cool. And then there's still some things left in the box. What's that? What's this blue thing?
This is where you make your own collection of these.
So these are sponges?
Yeah.
And what do you have in there? Do you have to pop them out? Oh, cool. Look, if you pop them out, you can see the different shapes. What's that one?
Cloud.
That's a cloud. Cool. What else do you get in there?
This biggest tree.
What's that? A tree?
It's a tree.
Cool.
And then this
Tree. You got it. You did it. There we go. Just have to push it a little bit harder.
Roller.
Whoa. There's a bike. And you got a roller. So if you want to roll with the paint. Cool. What are the sponges? I'll just quickly just do the sponges. You've got a bike. You got a, what's this one, Kay?
A car.
Show it.
A car.
Cool.
Dog.
A dog.
A cock, Mobby.
A dog. That's cool. Woof, woof, woof. What's that?
Star.
Oh, I love stars. You got a lovely star. You know, star in French is étoile. Is that right, Daddy? Étoile. Étoile. Okay, so we've got a star. Any more that we haven't yet pulled out?
2 we got left. Where's this one? Oh, this is another tree. How do we get this out?
You can. Just keep pushing. Try it. There we go. Let's have a look. It's a flower. This one's a flower, babe.
This.
And then what's that? Is that the last one?
Yeah, it's a house.
A house. How
And
cool.
then we got another last one.
You got some really cool sponges. You're going to put some paint on there like that. You're going to dip it in the paint. And then you're going to put it in the paper and go, ooh, 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 ooh.
We got all these cats.
What was the last one? A leaf.
And that's it.
How amazing. I love it. Do you like this set, this paint set?
Yeah.
And you're peeping at me.
My mom, I asked my mommy for a long time to get an umbrella, and then I got it.
Woo! You got a Spiderman umbrella. Guess what, Caden? The rain can't get you now. Turn it around. Look how cool that is. You got a big picture of Spider-Man here. Spider-Man. And you've got his logo here. And it says, with great power comes great responsibility. I love it. Caden?
There's a smiley, there's a little face here.
Yes, there is. Love it. What else, Caden?
We got Spider-Man light up when you need to go toilet.
So you've got a Spider-Man nightlight, right? So the whole point of this is when you need to go to wee-wee at night time and you're a bit scared of the dark, you can take it to the bathroom with you and it will light the way.
Light your way?
Yeah, so when you need to go to the toilet and you're scared of the dark, if you take this with you, it lights for you. It lights the way for you. And it's also, the light comes from his eyes. We'll put some batteries in a second to show you. But you can see in this picture here, the light comes from his eyes. So we've got Spider-Man nightlight. Spider-Man nightlight. This is really cool, this one. Yeah. So if you want to have it as a nightlight, the light comes from his eyes. And if you want to have it as a torch, then the light comes from, I don't know, somewhere else.
Down here.
Where? Yes, that's right. The light comes from here. This spot right here. Excellent. Okay, so we've got a nightlight. Anything else?
Spider-Man bike.
Blast and go, Spider-Man bike. Wow, Santa Claus really did spoil you this year. So we've got Spider-Man on his bike. This is cool. Oh, again. Oh. So it goes like this, and then you push it, and it goes along really fast. Do you see that, Kay?
Yeah.
If you blink, you might have missed it. Say that again. It didn't go really fast?
No.
Okay, let's try and make it go really fast. Ready?
Oh.
And back. Spider-Man's coming. See? Much faster that time. Woo! You happy with your presents, Kaden?
Yeah.
Wonderful!
Can we do counts?
We can do some painting in just a second.
Don't forget to subscribe. Give a big thumbs up if you like this video.